Crawlspaces are more than just dark, forgotten spaces beneath your home. They're the structure of a safe, healthy living environment. In a world of home ownership, a solid foundation is more than just concrete. It's peace of mind. Our core value is to help ensure our community homeowners can live worry-free. And as a firefighter of 20 years, I started Crawlspace Foundation to serve our community and make good on that promise. At Hawk, we take pride in our expertise and commitment to your peace of mind. From inspections and moisture control to installation and structural repairs, we understand your crawlspace ensures a healthy home. We understand the importance of a stable foundation. Whether you've noticed cracks, uneven floors, shifting walls, we're here to provide a reliable solution that will last for generations. Our skilled technicians use the latest technology and techniques to ensure your crawlspace and foundation is in top condition. Our technicians inspect every detail from moisture levels to structural integrity. We don't just fix crawlspaces and foundations, we transform them into clean, stable, energy-efficient spaces that enhance your home's overall comfort and value. Your peace of mind is our priority. When you choose Hawk Crawlspace and Foundation Repair, you're choosing a company that will give you a product that will last for years to come. Hawk Crawlspace and Foundation Repair is proud to be recognized as a trusted leader in the industry. Your safety and satisfaction are top priorities, and we follow strict safety protocols to ensure you have a worry-free experience. Don't let your crawlspace and foundation be a mystery any longer. Contact Hawk today and discover the difference a healthy crawlspace can make for you and your family. Hawk Crawlspace and Foundation Repair, building foundations, securing futures.